First open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS address. In preferred DNS type 1111. In alternate DNS type 1001. Press OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click and select Run as Administration. Type the following command and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on your Internet adapter. Press Disable. Click on Change Adapter Setting. Right-click your disabled Internet adapter and select Enable. Now close the windows and your problem should be fixed.